fit it, see if it fits. Looks good. To start the installation, you will go ahead and remove the nuts from the screws. Great. You will start with the two big long screws. They will go in the front. And the shorter one is the last. Need to fit the screws into the openings. So you will just put those nuts on, but don't tighten it yet, because we have to see the doors from the other side and make sure everything is fitting right before we tighten it up, okay? We're gonna use the 10mm wrench, 4mm key. Right, let's check how it looks in the front. So you might need to do a little adjustment like we are doing right now, just to find the position that is perfect for you. Perfect. You're ready to tighten this. They look very good. It took us just a few minutes to do this side, the front and the rear, and we're gonna move on to do the other side.
So I got it for lower door panel done. We're gonna test it today how this is working.